Okay everyone, so I wanted to show you all real quick how to make a two-tone body butter. This one is a part of our Fall for Her collection, which we're sold out now because we're now onto her winter collection. But for the Fall for Her collection, we had a two-tone color body butter that was orange and white. It was our vanilla pumpkin marshmallow scent. So I just want to show you all real quick how to make a two-tone body butter. But first, so some of the things you're going to need: two piping bags. I can't remember the size, but I will link those below. You're going to need some type of Mecca pigment powder. Since this one is vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, we're going to do orange, and the body butter will already be white. And then, of course, you'll need a jar to store your body butter in. Any kind. This is 8 ounce, so we've made enough just to fill up an 8 ounce jar. And so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we've already whipped our body butter, but now we're going to separate the body butter. So we want to divide them into two. One's going to be orange and one is going to be white. So what I'm going to do is actually take any kind of bowl just to split the two up. And let's see, so this is what it looks like whipped, and we're just going to divide it. Like I said, this is only enough just to make one jar. So let's see. We're going to leave the rest in here, and then we're going to add our Mecca powder, the orange, and I like to use a knife always to scrape off the excess body butter. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our orange Mecca powder. Just going to add a little bit. And I also added some more oil, some scent, the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow scent. So we just want this to be light, we want this to be lightly colored, not too orange, just a little bit. And then always, before I put it back in the mixer, I like to hand mix it myself, just to get, you know, a little bit of that color in. Okay, so now that we have our body butter blended and mixed, like I said, we want to do a light orange color, not too dark. So now I'm going to show you all how I pipe them in, or how I pipe it in, and show you how we make our two-tone color. Okay, so remember earlier I showed you these pipette bags. So here's how we're going to do this. You're going to need some scissors, and you're going to take the piping bag and cut off the top. So we cut off the top, cut this off, and then you're going to cut down here this way. So we can open it and then cut off the tip. And then you're going to open it up. Hope you can see it laying flat. We've cut it. So we cut it open, and now we have it like this. You're going to lay it flat. And now we're gonna take our body butter. Okay, so now we're gonna take the body butter. So this is the white. And we're gonna lay it like this. Spread it. I'm gonna push it down to the tip, where the tip was. Doesn't have to be perfect or neat. Then I'm just gonna take my knife so we can get every drop, every body, so we can get every butter, no butter left behind. And then we're gonna take the orange. And let's see. So now we're gonna take this mixture and then we're just gonna do the same thing, lay it right beside it. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put some down at the bottom. So now that we have these in our piping bag ready, we're going to fold it. Just fold them like this. Just fold it in half, right? You can see they're folded in half. And we're going to take this, the other piping bag, remember? So we take the other piping bag. So now we're going to take the other piping bag that we had and we're going to cut the tip off. Okay, and then you're going to open it up and then you're going to take this right here, put it inside. So you're going to put them inside, just like that, boom. Nothing fancy. And then you're going to take your 8-ounce jar or whatever jar you have, or whatever jar you're using, and then just gonna and that's done. And that's how you make a two-tone body butter. Like I said, this one is vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. That's what it smells like. This was a part of our Fall for Her collection. So this isn't available anymore on our website, but we do have different winter scents now for her winter collection. We have hot cocoa, brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla. So you can check our website out at www.herbutterhergloss.com, and I will also leave that below. And I hope you guys understood the video and learned something, and until next time, I will see you guys next time.